हेलो फ्रेंड, जैसा कि मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मैं एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के पूरा तो 35 क्वेश्चन लेके आऊंगा। और इन 35 क्वेश्चंस को मैंने दो भागों में डिवाइड किया। yesterday I have completed the 20 question. Now today we will do again 20 क्वेश्चन। तो इन 35 की जगह हम 40 क्वेश्चन करेंगे, जो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन mainly NEET competitive, all the competitive exam held in all over India, like NEET, JEE Mains. Yeah, you are going to write any other examination like Uttarakhand lecturer, yeah, KVS, PGT, any type of chemistry examination. These will help you in examination. Please watch it properly one by one question. चलिए start करते हैं। The first question: which of the following pair is isodiphers? The first thing is, what is the meaning of the isodiphers? Isodiphers means if the difference between neutron and proton are equal. Two element having neutron and proton difference are equal, they are called isodiphers. Now you see in this first case, A case, 14 minus 6 neutron is atomic mass minus atomic number, that equal to 8, and in proton is 6. Proton is 6. So you will get 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. In the sodium case, you will get 23 minus 11, yani ki 12 minus 11, you will get 1. So it is not isodiphers. Come to the B option. 24 minus 12, you will get to 12 minus 12 equal to 0. In the second case, 23 minus 12 minus 11 equal to, you will get 1. So it is not equal. Come to the C, 2Ag4, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. And come 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So here the difference of neutron and proton both are equal 0, then your answer is C. Come to the next question. D6 configuration will be result in total spin of. So D6 configuration, how you will made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D6 configuration means 5, 6, and now here how many? So you need to calculate the total spin. Total spin equal to number of unpaired electron upon 2. So here unpaired electron are 4 upon 2 equal to 2. So your answer is 2. Come to the next. Which of the following statement is correct? Number of angular nodes. Okay, what here did, just you see, number of radial node. Radial node is n minus l minus 1. And angular node is this one. It means it is incorrect. This is incorrect. And total node, that is a sum of radial nodes. You remember, angular node is always equal to L. And radial nodes equal to n minus L minus 1. And total node sum. Total node equal to sum. So n minus 1. So this one is incorrect. So total number of nodes is equal to n minus 1. C is a correct answer. Come to the which of the following of a quantum number is impossible for an electron. So first I am going to discuss the quantum is so important for all the examination in all over India. Okay, whatever you are going to competitive examination. So just you see, whenever we are discussing about quantum number, first you remember, whenever whatever number you have taken, just n number, I am taking one example, I am giving first you, and then L values are 0 to n minus 1, means 0, 1, 2, and 3. It value n minus 1. L is 0 to n minus 1. I am started from 0, n minus 1, 4 minus 1, and 3. Come to the m values. Total number of n values, one formula I am writing here. Total number of m values always equal to n square. So total number of n values, how many here? 16. And second term for a L, for L values, m values are you can say that here two things, minus L to 0 to plus L. Either you can say that total number 2L plus 1. Okay, anything you can do. Here, if I am going for the 0, this is a 0. For a 1, three values, minus 1, 0, plus 1. And for the 2, same thing, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Same thing, here 3, minus 3 to 0 and minus 2 and then plus 3 till plus 3. Now, here, if n is equal to 1, to L is a 0, it is possible. And m is equal to 0, it is also possible. This is a correct. N is equal to 9, then L may be 7, possible. And if L 7, then M is minus 6 possible, because you see here. Come to the C option. If N is equal to 2, L is 2 is possible, L is 1 possible, and L is equal to 1, to M is equal to 0 also possible. You see here, if L is equal to 0, then L is equal to 1, then it is 0 also possible in this case. Come to the next one, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2 possible. But if L is equal to 2, then M is minus 3 is not possible. It is not possible. If 2 value is minus 2 to plus 2, here is ML value is minus 3. So see, this one is a not possible. Come to next. The possible correct set of quantum number for the unpaired electron of Cl atom is, here you need to find out for the unpaired electron. Okay, come to first key electronic configuration. You write chlorine 17. So last cell you see 3p5, 3p5 here. So p5 means this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need to calculate the quantum number for this electron, 3, 5. Yani ki means here the 3 number, n is equal to 3. And you remember, maybe I have written, if for L values, I'm writing here, for S, L is equal to 0. For P value, L is equal to 1. For D value, L is equal to 2. And F is equal to 3. These are the L values if the orbital are sp, df. If the electron in a s orbital, then L value is 0. If electron in a p orbital, then L value is 1. So here you need to find out. Up now, after that, if you know that, if I am saying p is equal to 1, L is equal to 1 for a, so then p is equal to 1, then L is equal to 1 here. Again, 2 value we have calculated, 2, 1. So it means this is not correct. This is not correct because we have a n is equal to 3. So here we have n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3, but L is equal to 1. So this is incorrect. So our correct answer is C option, because we have find it, if n is equal to 3, then L is equal to 1. So now if we want to find out the what is the value of this one, m value. So you know that minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So what is the value of this one, m? So m value is plus 1. And for a s value, if it is the clockwise direction, then it is plus 1 by 2. So your answer is C. Come to next. The above principle implies that new electron will enter an orbital for which n is the lower value, L has a lower value. The above principle is applicable only for n plus L rule. Above rule is said n plus n rule. So lower the value, what is said? Ki lower the value of n plus L, electron fill in that orbital. What is the meaning? N plus L value is minimum. Option D is answer. Come to next. How many electron in an atom can be? If n is equal to 1, no 4, L is equal to 2, M is equal to minus 2, and S is equal to plus 1 by 2. How many electron can be possible? So now first you see, if here n is equal to 4, it means it is showing 4. L means 2, means this is showing d orbital, 4d orbital. And now 4d is showing, so it means here d means 5 or okay. and this is a -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2, and ms value is -2. So -2 at s is equal to +1/2. Okay, if 4d orbital is there, so how many electron in atom can have? Asking for the atom can have. How many electron in an atom can have if n is equal to 4, L is equal to 2. This is a 4d, and the 4d m is equal to -1. And d orbital containing the maximum electron is 10. No, this will not. This is the only one electron because, okay, here, sorry. M is equal to -2 and S is +1. So here is a 1 electron in this one. So here in the d orbital, how many electron? Only value is +1/2 for this one, +1/2, and this is m value is -2. So 4d it is showing, but in the 4d only 1 electron is present. So it is a 4d1. So it is answer is A. Come to the next. For the electron in an atom have the set of quantum number as given below. Which electron is the highest energy level? So highest energy level means n plus L value is higher energy. Higher energy. First thing. So first you calculate n plus L. Here is a 5, that's 4, n plus L 4, n plus L 3, n plus L 5. In this case 5, and here 5 also. If n plus L value is equal, if n plus L value equal, then what will happen? N plus L value is equal. So this orbital is showing which one? This is 3d, and this one is 4p. Now tell me where the electron will first. Electron will first in 3d. Higher the value of n, then you remember, higher the value of n, higher the energy. Higher energy. Remember. So 3p is 4p is more than that of 3d. So answer is D option. Come to next. Consider the organ atom for how many electron does in this atom Ml is equal to 1. So what you will do, I know that the student, first you write argon 18. So you will get 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. And p is containing 3 orbital. Ml is equal to 1. So how many? And Ml is equal to 1. Consider the argon atom. How many electron does Ml is equal to 1? Ml. So this one is a +1. No, sorry, -1, 0 and +1. So you will write directly answer 2. No. But here this is also p orbital. And in this one -1, 0 and +1 m values. And here again how many electron in the +1 values? 2 electron. So 2 in 2p and 2 in 3p. So total number of sum of the electron is 4. Please remember here is the magnetic quantum number value is given. Come to the next. The electronic configuration of Cr 24 and 29 Cu are abnormal. Because everyone you know that this is the simplest, due to extra stability, then only one electron from the s orbital to d orbital are coming. You know that the one electron for the stability. I'm just doing one Cr24. You know that we are writing general cases 3d 4 5 s2. It may be, but it is wrong. So what is happening? One electron is coming to here, then it will be become stable. And this is 1, then it will be a 3d5 and 4s1 because this is stable case. Okay, for the half filled orbital, half filled. Okay, due to extra stability, exactly half filled and exactly full filled. And in the case of Cu, in case of Cu, to make fulfilled d orbital. Here the half filled is stable. Okay, come to the next. Which of the following orbital has two spherical node? And now just we have discussed already the spherical node is equal to spherical node equal to n minus L minus 1. So how many? Two spherical node it asking. Two spherical. If I am taking 2s, so here n value is 2 minus L value is 0 minus 1. So you will get 1. If you are taking 4s, then n value is 2 minus 0 minus 1. Sorry, 4. Then you will get the 3 answer. If you are taking 3d, so n value is 3 and d for L value is 2 and minus 1. So you will get 0 and the 6f n value 6 for f. You remember again and again I'm writing L values S for 0, P for 1, D for 2 and F for 3. Remember. So again F is 3 minus 1. So how much we will get? You will get 2. So what is your answer? 6F. Come to next. The Schrödinger wave equation of a hydrogen atom this where A0 is the Bohr radius. If the radial node in 2s be at R0, then R0 would be equal to. This is the most important for IITs. 1 to 2 times I think it asks in IIT. Okay, what is the meaning of here the radial node? The radial node means if the zero electron density region. Okay, radial node means zero electron density region. It means कि psi of 2s is equal to 0. So then you put value 0, psi s value 2, 0 you put here. So what you will get? 2 minus r upon a0 equal to 0. Just you put the value and then you get the calculated and you will get all the things is 0. So now r upon a0 equal to 2. So then you need to calculate the r. So r is equal to 2 a0. So your answer is r is equal to 2 a0. The answer is correct. Principal, azimuthal and magnetic quantum number are represent. Principal is a size, azimuthal represent the shape, and magnetic represent the orientation. All of you know in this one the principal quantum number is representing by n. This is a cell number, it is showing the cell. Okay, cell means size, what is the value of n, and it represent the size. And azimuthal quantum number represented by L, and it represented the orbital SPDF. And the magnetic quantum number, it is showing orientation, where the electron is, and it represented the m. So you remember the size, azimuthal, shape, and magnetic orientation. Come to next, the atomic orbital is. Please see this question properly. If you will see the first answer, you will tick directly. No. The circular path of electron, no. This is for the class 8, class 9. Elliptical shape, no. Three-dimensional field around the nucleus, no. The region is where the maximum probability of finding the electron, that is called atomic orbital. You remember the point. This is a Schrödinger definition. The probability of finding the electron, that is called atomic orbital. Come to next. If the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electrovolt, then ionization energy of He positive. No problem. Ionization energy is similar to, you remember En is equal to minus 13.6 Z square upon N square. Here, whenever we are saying the ionization energy, then the sign is opposite, because the here electron will come from the infinite. Okay, then you are getting here for the hydrogen. For a hydrogen, you are, this one is plus 13.6, because Z value is 1, N value is 1, and then it is coming the minus to minus. Okay, whenever any electron coming from infinite to any point, okay, then this is, you are getting the plus 13.7. For He atom, what you will get? En is equal to minus, right, minus 13.6 Z square for any is equal to 4 upon N square means 1. Okay, then you will get 54.4 electrovolt. Your answer is C. Come to next. Ionization energy of hydrogen atom in erg joule electrovolt. First, maybe you remember the in a electrovolt. I'm just telling you one by one. Hydrogen energy in electrovolt is equal to 13.6. Ionization energy. Okay, you remember. Again and again, I'm saying En is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square upon N square. And ionization, whenever we are saying, so then you will write here minus, and N value is 1 and Z value is 1, and then you will get this one. Clear to everyone? Now, if we have written this one, then come to the point again. You need to change. Now, remember the point. 1 electrovolt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So whenever you are going to convert this electrovolt into joule, so how much you will get? Then 13.6 into 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. This is joule. This 13 electrovolt. So whenever you are going to calculate it in a joule, so then you will get 21 point, you will multiply 21.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Again, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. So now, if you are changing this one to erg, then 21.78 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 10 to the power 7 erg. Okay, you multiply it and you will get 21.78 into 19 minus 7, 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, this is erg. So now in erg, you see 21.78 10 to the power itna. That's okay. Okay, 12 and 21 into 10 to the power minus 13. No, this is not correct. And this one is 21 into 10 to the power. Okay, 10 to the power minus 20, 278. Okay, this one changing like 2178 means 8. Okay, into 10 to the power minus 20. So this is correct, and 30 point, and your answer is A. Come to next. Arrange the following orbital of hydrogen atom in increasing order of their energies. Please be remember, if the cell is changed, then only the energy will be changed. Otherwise, it will be a remain same. Go here, anything 3s, 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 3p, all are equal. 4s, 4p, all are equal, and 2s greater here and greater here sign. Here you see it is not correct. This is the correct option, because all are the same cell, so their energy also same for the hydrogen. Come to next question. The orbital angular momentum of 3p orbital. So angular momentum equal to h upon 2 pi and root L into L plus 1. And now here is a 3p orbital. For 3p, L is equal to 1. Many times I have discussed, for L values, S is equal to 0, P is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, and F is equal to 3. These are the L values. 3 to 4 times I had it. So you remember. So now if you calculate it, h upon 2 pi and root 1 plus 1, 2 into 2, root 2. Okay, so on root 2, this one option is correct answer. Now come to the next. Subcell n is equal to 5, L is equal to 3 can accommodate. So n is equal to 5 means 5. L is equal to 3 means, again you tell me, F is equal to F. So it's showing 5F. Again I am saying ki S0, P1, D2, F3. These are the L values. So here L is equal to 3 means F, 5F. How many electron can be present in a 5F orbital? F is 14 electron. Come to the next. The ratio of specific charge of proton and alpha particle is. What is the meaning of specific charge? Specific charge means charge upon mass ratio. For proton, E by m is equal to E charge E upon m. I'm saying the mass 1. You know that proton is denoting hydrogen. And for alpha particle, helium atom, you know that. So atomic number 2, electron 2, the charge and 4. So you are going to calculate the ratio, then 4e upon 2e. 2 cancel, 2 to 4. So yani 2 ratio 1. Your answer is A. This is the important question. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I will come with again 35 question for equilibrium and chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. Please watch it one by one question. I will give you many questions in physical chemistry, in organic and organic one by one, topic by topics. Thank you for watching.